Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished successfully chapter number 8, name circular measure. We did all exercises, all questions, all parts of that chapter. Today we are going to start a very important chapter. Chapter number 9 you can see on the screen. Name is trigonometry. This chapter is very important not for O level ADMath but also O level math and engineering side. When you go higher side like A level and graduation level, this chapter will be beneficial for you throughout your career. This is the longest chapter and I promise you I will do all exercises, all questions, all parts just like I did previous chapters. So let's start chapter number 9, trigonometry. The first topic of this chapter is not new for you. The first topic is angle between 0 and 90 degree. It means we are talking about an acute angle. What is acute angle? An angle which is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. And for acute angles only, it means we are talking about right angle triangles. Right angle triangle. This triangle is not new for you. You have already studied about this triangle, 90 degree. An angle, a triangle which have one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, we can apply the function of trigonometrical ratios. For example, if we have this angle is theta, this side is A, this side is B, this side is C, then we the trigonometric triangle, 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 the trigonometrical ratios. There are three trigonometrical ratios. One is sine theta, other is cos, not necessarily theta. This angle can also be alpha or beta or gamma, but usually we use theta, that's why I am writing theta. Tan theta. What is the formula of sine theta? Is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is the formula of cos theta? Is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is the formula of tan theta? Is opposite upon adjacent. What does mean opposite? Opposite to the angle. The opposite to the angle theta is A. Therefore, the formula of sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse A upon C. What is hypotenuse? A side which is just opposite to the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse H, this is opposite and this is adjacent. What is the formula of cos theta? Is adjacent upon hypotenuse B upon C. What is the formula of tan theta? Is opposite upon adjacent A upon B. So these are three trigonometrical ratios, sine, cos and tan, which can only be applied in right angle triangle. Or you can say we can apply trigonometrical ratios only in angle which is acute. Acute means an angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. So for this concept we are able to start exercise 9.1 Question number 1 you can see on the screen. Given that tan theta is equals to 2 upon 3 and theta is acute. Acute means less than 90. Find the exact value of part A, sine theta. So in order to find the exact value of sine theta or cos theta or other, first we have to draw a right angle triangle. Suppose that this angle is theta and this is 90 degree, this one is hypotenuse. So tan theta is given 2 upon 3. And what is the formula of tan theta? Is opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite of theta? 2. What is adjacent of theta? 3. So this is the value of tan theta, which is equals to 2 upon 3. Now, for a right angle triangle, we can apply a very well known theorem called Pythagoras Theorem. What this theorem says, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. What is an hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to the right angle. So I assign the name is C. So C square is equals to, what is A? This 2 you can assign A, this 2 you can assign B. What is A? A is 2, so 2 square. What is B? B is 3, 3 square. So C square is 4, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So C square is 13 and C is equals to, if you remove the square, you have to take square root on other side. So the value of C is root 13. Okay, so this is main thing. We have find with the help of tan theta is equals to 2 upon 3. We have find the value of C. Now come to the question part A. We have to find the value of sine theta. Part A. What is the formula of sine theta? Is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite of theta? Opposite of theta is 2 and hypotenuse is root 13. This is our final answer. But if you see the answer in the book, you will see 2 root 13 upon 13. Not necessary to write the answer in the book, but if you convince to make the answer which is in the book, then you can convert this answer in the book by multiplying both sides, multiplying and divide root 13 by root 13. So our final answer is root 2 into root 13 is 13, root 13, and root 13 is just 13. So this is the answer in the book. So the exact value of sine theta is 2 root 13 upon 13. This is the answer of part A. Now come to part B. What is part B? Cos theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent of theta? 3. And what is hypotenuse? We just find root 13. So this is your final answer. But answer in the book is 3 root 13 upon 13, which is exactly same. Again, if you multiply root 13 and divide by root 13, you will get 3 root 13 upon 13. So this is the final answer of part B, cos theta. Now sine square theta. Part C is sine square theta. Sine square theta. So sine square theta means sine theta multiplied by sine theta. Okay. So what is the answer of part A? We have find sine theta value is 2 root 13 upon 13 multiply by again sine theta 2 root 13 upon 13. Now solve this. 2 2s are 4 multiply by root 13 into root 13 just 13 because root cancel and 13 into 13 113 cancel by this 113. The final answer is 4 upon 13. So this is the answer of part C, sine square theta. What is part D? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Part D is sine square theta plus cos square theta. You know, from trigonometry, sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1, but you have to show the answer. Sine square theta you just find in part C, 4 upon 13. This is the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta. Cos theta you have find from part B, 3 root 13 upon 13. This is cos theta, and cos square theta means multiply this again 3 root 13 by 13. Is equals to 4 upon 13 plus 3 3 is a 9. Root 13 by root 13 is just 13 upon 13 by 13. 113 cancel by 113. 4 upon 13 plus 9 upon 13. Take the LCM of 13. 4 plus 9. 13 upon 13. 13 cancel by 13. The answer is 1. I already told you the answer of sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is always equals to 1. Come to part E. What is part E? Two plus sine theta cos theta. 2 plus sine theta upon 3 minus cos theta. So 2 plus sine theta we have find in part A, which is 2 root 13 upon 13. Upon 3 minus cos theta. We have find in part B, which is 3 root 13 upon 13. It's a time to simplify this. Either the scientific calculator, or you can do this verbally. Like this. This is 1. If I take the LCM of first fraction 13 2s are 26 plus 2 root 13 upon, this is 1. Take the LCM 13 3 minus 3 root 13. So 26 plus 2 root 13 upon 13, and this is one fraction, this is second fraction, so double fraction can be reciprocal. So 39 minus 3 root 13 upon 13 is just 13 upon 39 minus 3 root 13. This 13 cancel by this 13. Okay. Now take the common 2 from these two. So 2 13s are 26 plus root 13 upon take the common 3 13 minus 3 root 13. Okay, sorry, not kindly wait. Now next we have to rationalize this. 2 upon 3 13 plus root 13 upon 13 minus root 13 multiply by rationalize the denominator 13 plus root 13 upon 13 plus root 13. 2 upon 3 multiply numerator by numerator upon denominator by denominator. So 13 plus root 13 and 13 plus root 13, you can apply a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2 a b plus b square upon 13 minus root 13, 13 plus root 13, you can apply a square minus b square formula. I am telling it to you again, you can use the scientific calculator to evaluate the direct answer, but because I enjoy a lot, that's why I am doing in this way. 13 square is 169 plus 2 into 13 is 26 root 13. 13 square and root cancel. 13 square is 169 and this cancel by 13, sorry 169, and root cancel by this is 13. So finally 2 upon 3, 169 and 13 is 182 plus 26, 169 minus 13, 156. Take common 26 from this side. So 26 sevens are 182 and root 13 upon 156 is equals to 26 6 is 156 and 2 3 is 6. So final answer is 7 plus root 13 upon 3 3 is this 3 multiplied by this 3, 9. So this is the final answer. It's too lengthy but too easy, and you can find this answer directly from your scientific calculator. Why I did first of all, I enjoy a lot for these kind of questions, and second, some teachers required all the steps in order to storm your brain. Okay students, so this is last part. Hope you enjoy. This is last part, question number 1E, and this is our whole question number 1. We did all parts. Now let's start question number 2. Okay ji. So next question is, given that sine theta is root 2 upon 5 and theta is acute, find the exact value of cos theta, tan theta, 1 minus sine square theta, and so on. So again, almost the same question. In previous question, the value of tan theta is given, and question number 2, the value of sine theta is given. So same working required. First we have a right angle triangle. This is theta, and opposite of theta is root 2, and the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, 5, is given. So this side, you can assign the name of this side is B. So B is, first we have to find the value of B. How to find the value of B? Again we apply the Pythagoras theorem. C square is equals to A square plus B square. This is A, this is C. So 5 square C square is equals to root 2 square plus B square. 5 square is 25 plus square and root cancel. 2, sorry, not plus, is equals to 2 plus B square. 25 minus 2 is equals to B square. 25 minus 2 is 23. B square is 23. Then B is equals to root 23, because square omit, then apply root. Now with this help, you can do all parts. Part A is cos theta. Cos theta is opposite upon cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent of theta? B. We have find root 3, and the hypotenuse is 5. So root 23 upon 5 is our final answer. Part B, tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite to theta is root 2, and adjacent is 23. So root 2 upon 23, or you can write, multiply it, root 23 upon root 23. So if two roots are multiplied, then their values are also multiplied. Root 23 into root 2 is root 46, and root 23 is just 23. So the final answer of tan theta is root 46 upon 23. Come to part C. Part C is 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta. Sine theta is given, which is root 2 upon 5 square. One minus square and root cancel. 2 5 square is 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 minus 2 is 23 upon 25. So 23 upon 25 is our final answer of part C. Part D. Sine theta plus cos theta. Sine theta value given in the question, root 2 over 5 plus cos theta we have find in part A, root 23 upon 5. So if you take the LCM, 5 cancel to 5, root 2, 5 cancel to 5, root 23. So our final answer is root 2 plus root 23 upon 5. This is the answer of part D. What is part E? Cos theta minus sine theta upon tan theta. Cos theta minus sine theta upon tan theta. Cos theta we have find in part A, which is minus sine theta is given in the question, root 2 upon 5 upon tan theta we have already find in part B, 46 root upon 23. Okay, now simplify it. Take LCM 5, root 23, root 2 upon 46 upon 23. Simplify it. Root 23 minus root 2 upon 5, multiply 23 upon 46 root. Okay, so (23) multiplied by root 23 is 23 root 23, and 23 multiplied by root 2 is 23 root 2 upon 5 into root 46. This is our final answer, but we have to make the answer in the book. Kindly wait, I am trying. Okay, this 23, this 23 can be right root 23 into root 23, and this root 23 already present, minus, or in short, I am rubbing this. There is another way which I am trying. (23) multiply by uh, 23 multiply by root 23 minus root 2 upon 5 into this 46 can be right 2 into root 2 into 23, because 23 2s are 46, right? Next, this 23 can be right root 23 into root 23 multiply by root 23 minus root 2, no change, upon 5 into this can be right root 2 into root 3. Okay, now cancel this root 23 by this root 23. Okay, next, (23) into root 2 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 into root 2. Multiply this root 2 by it 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 into, I am just trying to make the answer in the book. Okay, that's why I am struggling. 23 root 2. Now multiply 23 by root 23 is just 23. Okay, root 23 by root 2 is root 2 into root 23. Okay, upon 5 into this root 2 by this root 2 is 2, and this root 2 is doesn't change. Okay, now multiply this root 2 by the whole numerator. Root 2 into 23 is 23 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 root 23, and 5 2s are 10, and this is our final answer, which is present in the book. That's why I am doing lot of work. Okay students, so kindly, if you don't understand, watch this whole part E again and again and again. Okay, now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is, given that cos theta is equals to 1 upon 7 and theta is acute. Find the exact values of A, B, C, D, E. So same question is required, same requirement, same question, just like question number 1 and 2. First we have to draw a right angle triangle. This is theta. Adjacent is 1 is adjacent, and 7 is hypotenuse. This is the formula of cos. Hypotenuse is 7, which is opposite to 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. C square is equals to A square plus B square. This is C, this is B, and this is A. C square, 7 square is equals to A square plus B square is 1 square. 49 is equals to A square plus 1 square is 1. 49 minus 1 is A square. 49 minus 1 is 48 is equals to A square, and A square is equals to A is square root of 40. Okay, and 48 can be right 16 3s are 48. So A can be right, square root of 16 is 4 root 3. Okay, come to part A. Sine theta. Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is A, which is 4 root 3 upon hypotenuse is 7. So the answer is 4 root 3 upon 7. Part B. Tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite? A. 4 root 3 we have find. Adjacent is 1. Not necessary to write 1. So just write 4 root 3. Part C. Tan theta cos theta. Tan theta cos theta. Tan theta we have find part B. Cos theta we have find part A. Cos theta is given 1 upon 7. So the final answer is 4 root 3 ones are 4 root 3 upon 7. This is our final answer. Part D. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again you will get the answer 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin theta we have find root 3 upon 7 square. Cos theta is given in the question 1 upon 7 square. 4 square is 16. Square and root cancel. 3 upon 7 square, 7 square is 49. Plus 1 square is 1, 7 square is 49. Take the LCM of 49. 16 3s are 48. 49 cancel by 1. 48 plus 1 is 49. 49 upon 49 is 1. So 1 answer, the final answer. Okay, this is part D. What is part E? Cos theta minus tan theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta minus tan theta upon one minus cos square theta. Cos theta given in the question 1 upon 7. Tan theta we have find 4 root 3 upon 1 minus cos square theta, 1 upon 7 square. first take the LCM of 7. 7 7 cancel, 7 4s are 28. Root 3 upon 1 minus 1 square is 1, 7 square is 49 is equals to 1 minus 28 3 upon 7 upon taking LCM 49. 49 ones are 49 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 28 root 3 upon 7 upon 49 minus 1 is 48 upon 49. Now reciproc them, both the fractions. The last one, 1 minus 28 root 3 upon 7, then 49 upon 48. 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Now 7 multiply by the whole bracket, 7 ones are 7 and 7 into 28 is 196 root 3 upon 48, and this is our final answer of part E. Very interesting part of question number 3 and very easy as well. Let's start question number 4. Find the exact value of each of the following. Question number 4 part A. There is a table given in the book before exercise 9.1. You can memorize at least 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree trigonometrical ratios value. But if you don't want to memorize, no problem, use calculator. But by the grace of Almighty God, I memorize almost all the standard values. Let's start part A. Tan 45 degree into cos 60 degree. Tan 45 degree you can find 1 and cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Final answer is 1 upon 2. This is the answer of part A. Part B. Tan square 60 degree. So tan 60 is root 3 square. So square and root cancel. Answer is 3. Final answer. C part. Tan 30 degree over cos 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. So 1 upon root 3 into 2 upon root 3. 2 ones are 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 2 upon 3 is our final answer. Part D is sine 45 degree cos 30 degree. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus cos 30 degree is root 3 upon take the LCM 2 root 2. So it will be 2 plus root 2 cancel by 2 root 2 into root 3. Root 2 by cancel 2 and yes, root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Okay, but in order to make the answer in the book, multiply this answer by root 2 by root 2. So root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2, and root 2 into root 6 is root 12 upon 2 root 2 into root 2 into root 2, just 2 root 2, and root 12 is 2 root 3 upon 2 to the 4. Take 2 is common, root 2 plus root 3 upon 4, 2 to the 4. The final answer is root 2 plus root 3 upon 2. This is the answer of part D. Hope you understand. Come to part E. 1045 minus sine 30. 1045 minus sine 30 upon 1 plus sine square 60. 1 plus sine square 60. 1045 is 1, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, 1 plus sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and square. One minus 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2. 1 plus square and root cancel 3, and 2 square is 4. 1 upon 2, 4 1 the 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 upon 4. 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 7. 2 to the 4. 2 upon 7 is final answer of part E. I hope you completely understand. And this is question number 4. We did all parts. Come to question number 5. This is question number 5. Find the exact value of sine pi by 4 cos pi by 3. Student, whenever you see the angle in terms of pi, it means the angle is in radian mode, and we have learned a lot in chapter 8 what is radian, what is degrees. In short, I would say whenever you find the value with the help of calculator, your calculator must be in radian mode. So sine pi by 4, sine pi by 4 is sine 45 degree, which is 1 upon root 2. Multiply by cos pi by 3 is cos 60, and cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So our final answer is 1 1 is 1, 2 root 2. And if you multiply it by root 2 by root 2, you will get root 2 into 1 root 2. 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 upon 2 to the 4. So root 2 upon 4 is our final answer. Come to part B. Sine square pi by 4. So sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Its square means 1, and square root cancel 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is final answer. Come to part C. 10 pi by 6 upon cos pi by 4. 10 pi by 6 is 1030. 1030 is 1 upon root 3. Cos pi by 4 is 45, which is 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 3 into root 2 upon 1. Root 2 upon root 3. Multiply it, root 3 by root 3. So root 2 into root 3 is root 6, and root 3 into root 3 is just 3. So root 6 upon 3 is our final answer, part C. Part D is 5 minus 10 pi by 3 upon sine pi by 3. 5 minus 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 is root 3 upon sine pi by 3 is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So this 2 is multiplied by the whole numerator. 2 5s are 10. 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 upon root 3. Multiply root 3 by root 3. Ten into root 3 by 10 root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is root 3, 2 3 is 6 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3, and you can write it minus 6 plus 10 root 3 upon 3. This is our final answer. Okay, come to part E. What is part E? One upon sine pi by 6 minus 1 upon cos pi by 4. One upon sine pi by 6 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. 1 upon 2 is 2 minus root 2. So 2 minus root 2 is final answer. This is very easy part. Last part, F. Tan pi by 4 minus sine pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 minus sine pi by 4 upon tan pi by 6 multiplied by sine pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 multiplied by sine pi by 6. 10 pi by 4 is 1045. 1045 is 1. Sine pi by 4 is sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 upon 10 pi by 6 is 1030, which is 1 upon root 3. Sine pi by 6 is sine 30, which is 1 upon 2. So 1 minus 1 upon root 2. First take the LCM. Root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 upon 1 1s are 1. 2 root 3 is 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. So root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 multiply by 2 root 3 upon 1. Okay. Multiply 2 root 3 by root 2 is 2 root 6. 2 root 3 by 1 is 2 root 3, and 2 root 2 by 1 is root 2. Multiply it and divide by root 2 by root 2. So root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2, or you can multiply root 2 by 2 root 6 is 2 root 12. Root 2 into root 3 is 2 root 6. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. 2 root 12. Root 12 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 minus 2 root 6 upon 2. Take 2 is common. So 2 root 3 minus root 6 upon 2. This 2 cancel by this 2. The final answer is 2 root 3 minus root 6 upon 1, not necessary to write 1. This is the answer of part F, the last part of question number 5. And this is the whole exercise. Today we have successfully finished the whole exercise 9.1, each and every question, each and every part. What next? The next is more important than 9.1. The general definition of an angle. We just talk about acute angle today, but we will do all types of angle in our next lecture. But believe me, it's very easy exercise, very easy chapter. Kindly do practice more and more and more. And if you feel any difficulty in today's class or previous lectures, write in comment box. Definitely I will help you. If you satisfied my video and if you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.